So for this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own doodle for Google based on the theme that Google gives us. So let's go and get started. The first thing you want to do is go to the Doodle for Google assignment, scroll down to the bottom, find the Google form for the year, click on the three dots and download. Let's go to the bottom left corner of your screen where it says search, type in Inkscape, open up Inkscape. Let's go to the top left where it says file, click on import. Let's go to your downloads folder. If you're not automatically inside your downloads folder, let's click over here where it says home, click on the downloads folder, find the Google form, click on that, click on open, leave the settings as they are, click on OK. Let's center the form. Let's go over here to the right hand side, click on the three dots. If you don't have the three dots, go to the top left where it says layer, click on layers and objects. Open up your layers panel. If your layers don't load, click on a different tab and then come back. This is your reference here. So where it says image, click on that. We could name that ref for reference and lock it. Let's go ahead and zoom in, shift and plus. So for this assignment, the challenge is to come up with a Google logo that is based off of this theme. The theme for this logo is some of my favorite things to do are, then you would list some of your favorite things to do. So that could be ride a bike, hike, go for a walk, read, nap, snack, rap, draw, go to the mall, or spend time with family. Then what you would want to do is think of some of the objects that are related to your favorite things. So for riding a bike, the bike itself could be the object, and maybe these two letter O's could be tires on a bike. Maybe one of your favorite things to do is to hike, so maybe these letters could look like they're on a trail, or maybe one of these letters could be a tree. Maybe one of your favorite things to do is to read. Maybe these letters could look like they're on the spine of a book, or they're reading a book, or these could be reading glasses for the O's. Maybe some of your favorite things to do is to snack. Maybe these could look like different snacks. Maybe like going to the mall. Maybe these letters could look like they're at the mall. These letters could be different storefronts, like the front of a store when you go to a mall. Or one of these could be a shopping bag. Maybe one of your favorite things to do is to spend time with family. So these could look like plates if you're having dinner with the family. Maybe these could be on a table. This could be from a top view, a side view, a front view. Let's say one of your favorite things to do is to eat donuts. We just got done making donuts inside of Inkscape. So what we could do is open up our donut project. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to click on Open Recent. And now I have my donut open. Let's say I want to bring this into that Doodle for Google assignment. I will go over here on the right hand side where the three dots are to open up my layers panel. If you don't have the three dots on the right hand side, go here to the top left where it says layer, click on layers and objects, and that layers panel should open up. Then on the top right, you're going to click on this drop down menu, the arrow that's pointing down, and let's click on export. You're going to get this tab that opens up, and at the bottom of that window, it's going to ask you where you want to save it. It's also going to ask you what type of format. I want to export it as a PNG. But let's go over here to see where we want to save it. I'm going to save this inside of my Doodle for Google assignment. It's going to open up inside of my donut project. I can just click on this yellow folder with a green arrow and go back to my previous projects. Or you might have to go to desktop, click on the blue folder with a cloud next to it, documents folder, the current academic year, the period of my class, scroll down, and the name of the project. So even though this is a donut, I want to save this inside the Google assignment. And we could call this donut. Again, we want to save it as a PNG and click on save. So you could export it that way, or choose the folder and come back and click on export here. Now let's go back to my Google assignment. I'm going to go here to the top left where it says file, click on import. I'm going to click over here where it says desktop, find the blue folder with your name next to it, find the documents folder, the year we're currently in, the period of my class, and the name of the project. So remember, we're inside of the Google assignment. There's a donut, click on that, click on open. I'm gonna leave the default settings, click on OK. And now I have that donut imported inside of our Doodle for Google assignment. So now I could scale this down. I could hold down Control, click on these arrows to shrink down my donut, scoot it over, hold down Control, scale down my donut, and I could use those for the letter O. If you don't like the colors of your original donut, you could always go back to your donut file and change that, and then you export it and import it back here into the Doodle for Google assignment. So here's my Doodle for Google. Before we export this, you want to make sure that you give me a description. So you grab the text tool or tap the letter T on your keyboard and type in a description. Using this prompt here, you would start your sentence out. Some of my favorite things to do are to eat donuts. For this example here, whatever your example is, you would type that out after the prompt. Some of my favorite things to do are. The next thing you would want to do is come up with a title for this artwork. Let's pretend that we're going to put these masterpieces inside of a museum. What would you call this masterpiece? Next, don't forget to put your name and the grade that you're in. For this Doodle for Google, we don't have to put in any of this information. We're just practicing for the next time that Google has a contest. Let's pretend you're done. Let's go to the top left. Let's click on File, click on Save As, click on Desktop, find the blue folder with the cloud and your name next to it, find the Documents folder, find the folder for the year, find the period you have my class. Let's go to the top right, and let's create a new folder for this project. Let's call this Google, and click Off. Then click back on the folder to go inside of it. Let's give this a name, so your first name, first letter of your last name of your project, and the period that you have my class. Click on Save. That's going to be an SVG file. If we need to export these as PNGs, we would go to the top right in our Layers panel, click on the drop-down menu, click on Export, scroll down to the bottom, make sure it says PNG. Choose the folder you want to export it to. It should export to the folder that you created this project in, and then click on Export. It's going to export. I'm going to go check in the folder, and this is the file here. This is the PNG, and then this is the SVG. So this SVG file will be the same file that you upload into the Doodle for Google assignment inside of Teams. So if you have any questions of how to use the drawing tool, how to use the Bezier tool, how to import the Doodle for Google form into Inkscape, or maybe you already made an illustration and you want to import that into Inkscape and you have a question of how to do that, go ahead and let me know.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And feel free to watch any of the other related videos.